Lights, camera, action. Welcome to another Real Deal production. This is Shonda and I'm back again with the little quick video. I took out the time to actually make some broccoli and cauliflower fritters and also some zucchini and squash fries, which I baked the fries in the oven. I did fry the cauliflower and the broccoli, but I did it in avocado oil, so it's still a healthy choice. I'm just trying something new for the new year, trying to eat a little healthier. And so we looked up these recipes and tried them. If you want the description, just let me know of how I made them. And I dipped them in ketchup and also tzatziki's cucumber and dill sauce, which is really good. I want to come up with a different sauce. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I'm going to be trying a lot of different healthy foods, and I'm going to start posting them. So y'all have a good one.